Umiljanti u imbarazzanti kienet din is-sitwazzjoni li sabet ruħha fiha l-President ta' Malta Mary Louise Colero Preca meta aktar kmieni dan ix-xahar indirizzat laqgħa fir-Renju Unit ta' dik li tissejjaħ Oxford Union. Laqgħa li matula sarula domandi dwar l-iskandlu ta' Pilatus Bank u d-daqqa reputazzjoni ta' pajjiżna. L-Oxford Union hija għaqda li tiġbor fiha nies li fil-passat studjaw fl-Università ta' Oxford, ħafna minnhom illum akademiċi u esperti f'setturi varji. Quddiem dawk preżenti f'Oxford u b'diskors xejn konvinċenti, Mary Louise Colero Preca spiċċat tipprova tiddefendi l-indefensibbli.
2 years ago there was a scandal with one of your banks, Pilatus Bank, when it turned out that it serves the Azerbaijani president's family for making investments, personal investments throughout Europe. And what are the implications for you? And do you think your country took some lessons after this? And what did you change in your country, or perhaps tightened the regulations?
As yet, there has never been legal proof of what the Pilatus Bank was doing. So there have been investigations, and I think they are still ongoing. However, the issue of Pilatus Bank did not really was not raised. I mean, when there was this case in the US, I believe, in the US, where the chairman of the bank was actually doing business in Latin America, as my High Commissioner is telling me. So there is this whole complication. However, it was a private bank.
Kulħadd jaf li l-iskandlu tal-Bank Pilatus kien daqqa kbira għar-reputazzjoni finanzjarja ta' pajjiżna u ħafna minn dawn l-effetti għadna qed inħossuhom sal-lum. Sa din il-ġimgħa stess il-kap eżekuttiv tal-HSBC Andrew Bean qal li s-settur tas-servizzi finanzjarji f'Malta sofra ħsara fir-reputazzjoni tiegħu u insista wkoll fuq il-fatt li l-banek għandhom jimxu fuq standards internazzjonali.
It's important that the financial system operates to all international rules and regulations because it's a system that fundamentally is based on trust, and the global economy is one that transcends national borders. Clearly, we've seen a number of challenges in recent years, including another series of bank failures in recent times. And it's essential that the system as a whole works collaboratively with the local authorities so that all banks and financial institutions operate to the same standards.
Robert Cremona, Net News.